Welcome to another new video of Niche Addons. In this video, we are going to look how to create chef's recipe widget. It involves 3 steps: add a widget, customize it, and final result. Let's begin with adding a widget. In search bar, search for chef's recipe and drag and drop it in the widget area. Start by adding image, give the chef's name, chef's role, button title and link it. Finally, give your content. In chef's recipe area, give the title of the recipe and add ingredients. In ingredients, add image and title. Click add item to add ingredients. If you want to add it as a video, click video link and link it. You can change the button icon too. Give the title for the ingredient. Similarly, you can add how many ingredients you want. In contact section, you can add how many social media icons you want. Finally, you can toggle alignment too. That's it for adding a widget. Let's start customizing it. Select the style option in the top bar. It will take you to the background color change for the section. Then padding and border radius option. Select the border type. Finally, it's box shadow. Then comes image option. Here you have overlay color, border radius, image width, border type selection, and image box shadow. Next comes title. Here you can edit the padding of the title, typography, and color. Similar options are for row, section title, food title, preparation time, and content. Last comes video button. Here you can edit button width, border radius, color, and background color change. Finally, it's border type. That's it for customization. Let's see our final result. Once everything is done, click on the update button and preview changes option to see your final result. Here comes our final result for chef's recipe. Here comes our restaurant plugin. For further details, you can explore our plugin. Link for the plugin is mentioned in the description. In this plugin, we have 50 plus elements. Click on the below mentioned playlist link to explore all the elements, how to create videos. For more similar videos, stay connected with Niche Addons. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next element video.